for you all. Today in this video we will draw the graph of a curve r is equal to 1 plus 2 cosine theta, which is known as lemma cone. You know this lemma cone is symmetric about the line theta is equal to 0. I mean to say it is symmetric about the initial line, because if we replace theta by minus theta, the equation of curve remains unchanged. So we can say that it is symmetric about the line theta is equal to 0. It is symmetric about the line theta is equal to 0. In second step, we will take some values for theta for the upper half of the curve. The lower portion of the curve we will draw just by symmetric. I mean to say we take some values for theta for the upper portion of the curve, and lower portion of curve we will draw just by symmetric. In third step, we will draw the lines of angles for each value of theta. In third step, we will draw the lines of angles for these values of theta, and we draw 4 concentric circles. We draw 4 concentric circles. Let's start. How draw the graph? You know, when theta is equal to 0, r is equal to 3. So we take, for the initial line theta is equal to 0, the value of r which is 3. We take this 3, we take, this is a 1, we take 1, 2, and this point is, we take r equal to 3. This is the point where theta is equal to 0 and value of r is equal to 3. I mean to say that this, the distance of this point, the distance of point from pole is 3 units. That is, this point is 3 units away from the pole. This point 3, 0, or theta 3 or 0 is a point which is 3 units away from this pole, and this is the first point which is lies on this lemma cone. We take this point on the line. Next, when theta is equal to pi by 6, the value of r 2.732, which is less than 3. We take second point which is 2.732, which is less than 3. We take the point on the line theta is equal to pi by 6, 2.732. We take this point here. Here we take a point. This is a point which is 2.732 units away from this pole. And for the line theta is equal to pi by 4, r is equal to 2.414, which is also less than 2.732. For the line theta is equal to pi by 4, value of r which is 2.414. We take, for the line theta is equal to pi by 4, we take a point where r 2.414. We take this point, and this is a point which is also lies on this lemma cone. For the line theta is equal to pi by 3. For the line theta is equal to pi by 3. The value of r exact 2. So we take r is equal to, for the line theta is equal to pi by 3. We take this point here. This is a point where r 2, 1, and this is 2. This is a point where r is equal to and theta is equal to pi by 3. Second, you see, when theta is equal to pi by 2, the value of r exact 1. So we take r is equal to 1 for theta is equal to pi by 2. When the angle, when the line, for the line theta is equal to pi by 2, we take r is equal to 1, and this one is here. We take this the point. These are all points lies on this lemma cone. For next angle, when theta is equal to 2 pi by 3, value of r is 0. This is a point to note it. When you see, when theta is equal to pi by 2, I mean to say from theta is equal to pi by 2 to theta is equal to 2 pi by 3. From from theta is equal to pi by 2 to theta is equal to pi by 3. The branch of curve is coming very closely to the pole because at theta is equal to pi by 2, r is 1 and theta is equal to 2 pi by 3, r is 0. It means from theta is equal to pi by 2 to theta is equal to 2 pi by 3, the branch of curve is coming very closely to the pole, and exact at 2 pi by 3 it meets the pole because r is equal to 0. At theta is equal to 2 pi by 3, value of r is 0. It means branch of curve meets the pole at theta is equal to 2 pi by 3 because r is 0. Next point is also very important. For the line theta is equal to 3 pi by 4. For the line theta is equal to 3 pi by 4. For the line theta is equal to 3 pi by 4. The value of r is negative 0.414. And when the value of r is negative, for the line theta is 3 pi by 4. For the line theta is 3 pi by 4, value of r is negative 0.414. When value of r is negative, so we must take the value of r, negative r, we should take opposite to the direction theta is 3 pi by 4. This point is very important. When value of r is negative, we should take this negative r opposite to the direction theta is 3 pi by 4. We don't take r is equal to 0.4 at this direction. When value of r is negative, we should take this negative value of r opposite direction theta is 3 pi by 4. And opposite direction of theta is 3 by 4 is this direction. We should take negative value of r on this line. Okay. This is the line which is the direction opposite to the theta to 3 by 4. This direction is opposite to the line theta to 3 by 4, and when value of r is negative, we should take r, negative value of r on this line. Okay? And this negative value is 0.414. We should take negative value of r 0.414. We should take this. Here is the r. Here is negative value of r, which is 0.414. Next, for the line theta is equal to 5 pi by 6, for the line theta is equal to 5 pi by 6. This is the line theta is equal to 5 pi by 6. Value of r is minus 0.732. So we take the value of negative value of r here. This is a point which is where negative r is 0.732. When value of r is negative at theta is equal to 5 pi by 6, we should take negative value of r opposite to this direction, and this is the direction opposite to the direction theta is equal to 5 pi by 6. When value of r is negative, we should take negative r opposite to this direction. We don't take value of r on this line, but we should take value of r, negative value of r opposite to this direction. So we take negative r on this direction. Okay. Next, for theta is equal to pi, r will be minus 1. So we take r minus 1 opposite to pi. We take this minus 1. This is the minus 1. This minus 1 is the length. This is minus 1. We take this minus 1 opposite to pi. So we take this minus 1. Clear? So these are all points we mark with red color. These are all points lies on the these are all points lies on the curve. So we join these points to draw the graph. In this way, a complete half in a loop is made, and half curve is complete. Now half portion of curve is now complete, and half portion of curve we will draw just by symmetric. This is the whole graph of the curve r is equal to 1 plus 2 cosine theta. First we draw the half portion of the curve, and remaining portion of curve we will draw just by symmetric. Thank you.